Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a snowman with the Rubik's twist. So count 2 blocks and then turn it twice and turn it like this. Alright, now count 1 block and turn it twice. Count 2 blocks, turn it twice. Count 1 block, turn it twice. So now you should have something that looks like this. So pretty much it's just 2, 1, 2, 1. And then now we're going to count 4 this time. And then turn it. And then 1. And then again say it. So pretend it's 2, 1, 2, 1, and then 2, and then 2, 1, 2, 1. So it's the same pattern. So count 1 block, turn it 2 times. 2 blocks, turn it 2 times. 1 block, turn it 2 times. And then 4 blocks, or 2 and then 2. Turn it 2 times. 1 block, turn it 2 times. 2 blocks, turn it 2 times. 1 block, turn it 2 times. And there you go, you have a snowman. That's like the lower part, the middle part, and the head. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And goodbye, see you in my next video.